Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking about osteoarthritis. I've discussed about osteoarthritis in my earlier video. You might take time to look at it. But today I'll be talking about the prevention. So whether you're looking for how to prevent or manage osteoarthritis, this video will walk you through on how you can go about it. Osteoarthritis affects the fingers, the spine, the joint, knee joint, the ankle joint, virtually all the joints in our body, especially the weight bearing joints. When I say weight bearing joints, I mean the knee joint, the hip, even the spine can also be affected. Osteoarthritis, like I said in the earlier video, is just an inflammation of those joints, usually the articulate cartilage. There's wearing out of the articulate cartilage, and then that causes a form of stiffness, pain, and swelling around the joint. So how do we manage arthritis? So the good news is that osteoarthritis can be prevented. So for the prevention of osteoarthritis, the first thing you have to do is you have to stay active. What do I mean by staying active? It means you have to be involved in a lot of exercise. The exercise should not be a strenuous form of exercise, because if it's very strenuous, it can also make the pain worse. Light exercise like walking, if you can do a daily 30 minutes straight walk, or if you can break it down, maybe 30 minutes in the morning, early in the morning, and in the evening, straight walk, active walk, it's also a form of exercise. It's not a, you don't have to look for um, go to gym before you can treat osteoarthritis. So just a straight walk. For some people that love swimming, cycling, those are also form of exercise. We call it aerobic exercise. So those exercise goes a long way in terms of to prevent you from having osteoarthritis. Apart from that, you need to work on your weight. Obesity is also known to be a factor. When someone is obese, it causes the weight bearing to the leg is is actually much. Once you manage obesity by taking a balanced diet, regular exercise, of course, it will prevent you from having osteoarthritis. Another way to also prevent osteoarthritis, apart from staying active through exercise, aerobic exercise, and then work on your weight, is balanced diet. Of course, you cannot overemphasize the importance of balanced diet. The key element here is you need to eat healthy food. Key is a nutrient that can help in terms of protecting the joint in our body. Vitamin B, vitamin D is one of them. Omega H3 and some other nutrients which can be gotten from food. Balanced diet is so essential for joint stability. Treatment of osteoarthritis is lifestyle. Of course, lifestyle very important. And under the lifestyle, we talked about balanced diet can come which is also part of the prevention mechanisms. Apart from balanced diet, exercise too is another thing that you have to also know. So I've talked about the exercise, cycling, swimming, daily walking about 30 minutes per day. It's at least 2 to 3 times in a week is enough. So the essence of this exercise strengthen the muscles of the joint, and then it also helps in blood circulation within the joint. Those are the importance of the active exercise. When you work on your weight, you can prevent osteoarthritis, and it's also part of management treatment of osteoarthritis. Now, the next is some pain medication, because osteoarthritis comes in form of pain, joint swelling, and then pain, stiffness. So in a way, you might need to give some pain medication, NSAID is what we call it, to relieve the pain, especially when the pain is so severe. But I would advise that you work on the lifestyle first before introducing pain medication. The pain medication, it can be in form of tablet, and it can be in form of cream. Injection can also be given based on the severity of the pain. But if you are in severe pain, I will advise you to see your doctor so that they can know the right pain medications for you. To protect your joints, there's some daily habits that you can also do that can help you in preventing and also manage osteoarthritis. One of them is soft footwear. Another thing that you can do is to apply cold and ice pack for pain relief. Cycling will also help. Osteoarthritis does not have to control your life. By applying this method that we've discussed, osteoarthritis will be a thing of the past. Thank you very much for watching. If you have gained one or two things from this video, kindly like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Bye.